Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on allow people to comment on your posts on your Quora app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on privacy, then it's going to take you here in this window, just waiting to show for you window like this. And you go down, then you come here to allow people to comment on your answers and posts. You will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean allow people to comment on your answers and posts. It's on now. I wish know you I give it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.